folks, welcome to the garden room build of 2025. Check it out. Let's head on inside and let me show you what I got going on. It's concrete base, poured out the concrete fresh. 6 meters by 4 meters is concrete base, poured in with a pump, and the actual garden room is 5.8 meters by 4 meters. So we've got 5.8 going across, and then 3.8 meters deep, and it's going to be if you come inside, you'll have a look, it's going to be an office and then a shed. So this is the partition wall for the shed. So if you look at it from this side, you'll be able to see the 2 door openings. So you've got the main door opening here for the garden office. This is 1200 double doors. They're going in there. Kept them quite small because it's got windows going on either side at the front. And then for the shed, we've got the door opening here. This is a 930 door opening, quite wider door. UPVC door just for getting stuff in and out of the shed. So there we go. We've got the 2x4s. It's all framed up with the 2x4s and the OSB sheathing. This is 9mm OSB sheathing on top. Then we've got the breathable membrane as well. Yeah, and then what's left now is just the roof joists. So we've got the roof joists coming on. They are 6x2s and they've all been cut. You can see we've got the lintels here as well. The lintels above the doors. I've done lintels above both actually. Might not necessarily need it for the single door, but we've got lintels above both, and then it's just roof joists going on, and then the tongue and groove board, OSB 3 tongue and groove, that's going to sit on top of the roof joists. So there we go. We've got a nice height as well because we didn't come up the ground that much. The adjacent ground is quite high. Got good height here as well, and yeah. Has been an adventure because the weather's not been great, so I don't advise to build in winter time, do it in summer, but otherwise we're almost there now. The last hurdle is the roof, and we're going to have the cladding on the front and box cladding around the sides as well. So yeah, that's a few bits. Partition wall goes up and then we are ready for the roof. So not too long now. And the roof goes on. We've got EPDM as well, rubber membrane going on the top, and then we can work on the electrics and all that fun stuff inside, plasterboarding still to do, paint, etc. There we go. That is the garden room 2025 project.